Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I do have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that this might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comments section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania became the second state to join the Union on December 12, 1787. The original governor was a guy named Thomas Mifflin. Now, we know today the capital is Harrisburg, but that wasn't always the case. The original capital for Pennsylvania was actually Philadelphia. Now, the state flag consists of a lot of detail. There's a shield surrounded by black stallions and a bald eagle. On the shield, you can find a ship, a plow, and 3 wheat bundles. Below there is the state motto, which reads virtue, liberty, and independence. The state bird is the ruffed grouse. The state tree is the eastern hemlock. The state flower is the mountain laurel. And the state nickname is the Keystone State. Kind of cool. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling. Take it, run with it, do a great job on this project. Good luck, you got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.